everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey creators, want to get monetized on YouTube fast? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps you need to take to hit 1,000 subscribers fast and 4,000 watch hours. Stick around into the end because I will also reveal a bonus tip that can double your watch time without uploading more videos. Are you ready to get monetized fast in the next 7 days? Well, keep on watching. In the description, I also have a link where I am selling a course that teaches you a lot of things about digital marketing and also teaches you how you can sell digital products and how you can make extra income from home. And also, this course teaches you how you can grow in your social media. So step 1, what is the first thing that you need to do? Is pick a niche. Decide which niche is more interesting to you, whether it's cooking, finance, tech review, sports, whichever one you choose, focus on that one niche. When you stay in the same niche, YouTube will know which audience to push your videos to. You will confuse YouTube if you talk about different topics all the time. So it's best if you just stay in one niche. Make sure to add your own unique style when you make the content. How can you determine your niche? Well, you can decide what skills and knowledge you have, if you have any hobbies, any personal journey. Are people searching for this topic? Is there an audience? You can also use tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, and YouTube Search. Those websites can help you determine what are people searching for. And then you can decide on the niche that you want to start. Tip number 2 is to have a strategy. Make videos that have value, that solves a problem, give solutions, search on what people are looking for. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help you decide which topics are popular right now. Be consistent with your videos. Make 2 to 3 videos per week. Videos should be 8 to 10 minutes long. Make a script and have a hook at the beginning. Introduction is also very important, the first few seconds of your video. And tip number 3, optimize every video. It's very important to use strong titles, clear thumbnails, and relevant tags and keywords in your description. Your title, the first 30 seconds of the video have to be really good. Make good thumbnails because that decides if people want to watch or not your video. If the title is boring, then no one is going to click on it. It needs to also be very good. Stay consistent on the style of your thumbnails and make the font easy to read. And tip number 4 is engagement. Engagement is very important in a video. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Ask them to comment down below. Ask them if this video was helpful. Ask them if this video was helpful. Ask them to interact in the comments. And this helps the video reach more people. Tip number 5, build watch time. And how can you build watch time? Well, you can decide to do several videos when you first start your channel. So if the audience sees one video, then they will see a third video and they will see a second video and then a third video. This is a really good way for your watch time to increase when you first start your channel. Also, create a playlist for your videos. This increases watch time, which boosts your chance of getting recommended. Add videos at the end of your video as well. All of these tips help with watch time. And also, the videos should be 8 to 10 minutes long because that increases your watch time. Because if the video is shorter, then your watch time is gonna be less. And here is the bonus tip. So, do you want to know the secret? Is to go live. I know a lot of people are not talking about going live on YouTube. But yes, if you go live on YouTube, it helps a lot with your watch time. Many people don't talk about it, but it does help with your watch time because when you go live, people are watching the live, but then if you save the live, people are going to rewatch the live, and that counts towards your watch time. Even if a few people join your live, YouTube counts lives as watch time. Lives can boost your watch time massively. So I recommend that you also start doing lives. Well, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for weekly videos, and turn on your notification bells. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye bye now.